Create a web app to display and analyze your data on multiple devices without writing code in no time at all. Web AppBuilder for ArcGIS includes built-in tools so that you can create 2D and 3D web apps for your workflows and your brand. It's user-friendly, it's flexible, and it's full of GIS functionality. It's important to consider the purpose and functionality of our app. Our intended audience is citizen stakeholders who want to track the changes of a development area. We want them to be able to compare two web scenes from different viewpoints as part of a public outreach campaign. So now that drone LiDAR capture is cheaper and easier than ever, we want to update our web app every 2 weeks with new LiDAR of the site. We can upload new versions of the site LiDAR file and resave the web scene. Using the Compare Scenes template, we can choose two web scenes and present them in a side-by-side viewer, along with slides so that a stakeholder can easily navigate to the development sites. The linked views mean that the two web scenes will navigate concurrently, so a continuous side-by-side view can be presented. Within ArcGIS Online, we can see web scenes that we've already created, and we can open the new development scenario with LiDAR scene. Right from the scene page, we can create a web app. Here we'll use using a template option. We'll choose the Compare Scenes template, which will allow us to view our web scenes in 3D with linked side-by-side views. We can give the web app a different title, add or remove tags, enter a summary if we wish, and save it to a folder on our ArcGIS Online portal. Then we can start configuring the web app. First, we'll give ourselves a little bit more view space. Right now, both scenes are the same, so we can select the web scenes to be used. The first one clicked will appear on the left-hand side, and once we've clicked our two scenes, we can see our development site with LiDAR on the left and the plain old development site on the right. Clicking on any of the slides will zoom both views to the slide position and activate the layers associated with that slide. The theme option allows us to change text, background color, and slide colors, and the Options tab gives us a number of functionality choices. Now in our case, we want to add a home button, and we'll add the legend option too. We can hit save to see our updated functionality, and it's as easy as that. Now we can either launch from here to check our web app, or we can close it and view it in the contents of ArcGIS Online. Within the ArcGIS Online content page, any other information or metadata can be added, and we can hit the View Application button to launch our web app. Clicking on the view in the left-hand scene will show us our LiDAR, and the right-hand scene tracks its position. We can pan, zoom, rotate, and switch legends on and off. So really, in a matter of clicks, with no coding at all, we've built a web app for stakeholders to compare the development site from different viewpoints and at different times. And now we're ready to share our web application with our stakeholders.